8 fascinating facts about Australian parakeets. In today's episode, we'll be diving deep into the world of one of the most beloved pet birds, the Australian parakeet, also known as the budgerigar or budgie. Known for their playful personalities and vibrant plumage, Australian parakeets are a favorite among bird enthusiasts and are often considered ideal pets due to their friendly nature and easy care requirements. In this episode, we'll be sharing 8 fascinating facts that will enhance your understanding of these colorful birds and perhaps make you appreciate them even more. Why Australian parakeets are so fascinating. The Australian parakeet is not only charming in appearance but also remarkable in its behavior and history. While they are commonly found as pets, their natural habitat in Australia provides many insights into their adaptability, social nature, and unique abilities. Their cheerful chirps and vibrant colors have made them a staple in households worldwide, but there's much more to them than meets the eye. What you'll learn in this episode: origin and wild habitat. Australian parakeets are native to Australia and are found in open woodlands, grasslands, and scrublands across the continent. They are incredibly adaptable, able to survive in harsh conditions and even in the wilds of Australia's vast outback. You'll discover how their natural environment shapes their behavior and characteristics, making them resilient and resourceful. Color variations and vibrant plumage. Budgies come in a wide range of colors, from the classic green and yellow to rare hues like blue, purple, and even white. We'll explore how their vibrant colors not only serve as a visual spectacle, but also play a role in communication and mating behaviors. You'll learn about the genetic factors behind these color variations and what it takes to breed different colors of parakeets. Exceptional mimicry skills. One of the most fascinating traits of Australian parakeets is their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. You'll be amazed to learn that some budgies can pick up a surprising number of words and sounds, even imitating the tone and pitch of voices they hear regularly. We'll share tips on how to train your budgie to talk and the scientific reason behind their mimicry abilities. Remarkable social intelligence. Budgies are incredibly social creatures, living in large flocks in the wild. In fact, their social structure in the wild is essential for their survival. You'll hear about how these birds form strong bonds with their flock mates and their owners, and why social interaction is vital to their well-being. Find out how their social nature impacts their behavior in captivity and why they need mental stimulation to stay happy. Incredible navigational abilities. Did you know that Australian parakeets have an extraordinary sense of direction? Even when released into the wild, they can often find their way back to familiar locations. Learn about the incredible navigational abilities of budgies and how their brains process environmental cues to navigate large distances. Discover how this navigational skill is honed through their instinctive need to migrate in the wild. Diet and feeding habits. Australian parakeets have specialized diets that are tailored to their natural environment. Their diet primarily consists of seeds, but in the wild they also consume grasses, fruits, and berries. We'll dive into their unique feeding behaviors, including how they forage for food in the wild, and their preference for certain seeds over others. You'll also get tips on providing the right diet for your pet budgie to keep them healthy and active. Breeding and reproduction facts. Australian parakeets are prolific breeders in the wild. We'll explain their breeding habits, including how they choose their mates and the role of territoriality in mating behavior. You'll learn about the fascinating process of nest building and how budgies create intricate nests to raise their young. We'll also discuss the importance of proper care during breeding seasons to ensure healthy offspring for pet budgies. Longevity and care in captivity. Australian parakeets have an impressive lifespan, especially when cared for properly. We'll share the typical lifespan of a budgie and the factors that contribute to their health and longevity. You'll discover how creating a stimulating and safe environment plays a role in a budgie's lifespan and quality of life. Find out the best practices for caring for your pet budgie, from cage setup to enrichment, to ensure a long and happy life. Why this episode is important. Whether you already own an Australian parakeet or are considering getting one, understanding these 8 fascinating facts will give you deeper insights into their care needs and natural behaviors.